Manufactured wood floors might seem like a budget-friendly way to get that hardwood look, but trust me, they can turn into a nightmare faster than you think. So here's the deal. If you're thinking about floors, the first thing to know is that manufactured wood, also called engineered wood, isn't as tough as real hardwood. It's made with a thin veneer on top and layers of cheaper wood underneath, so if you drop something heavy or drag furniture, it can dent or chip easily. To keep them looking decent, avoid high heels or sharp objects on them, and use area rugs in spots that get a ton of traffic. Clean them with a damp mop, but never soak them because water can ruin the layers. If dents happen, you can try those floor repair kits online. They won't make it perfect, but can help mask the damage. For areas like basements or bathrooms where moisture is an issue, vinyl or linoleum floors are smarter choices since they hold up better to water and are easier to maintain. When it comes to longevity and resale value, nothing beats real hardwood in main living spaces. That stuff can be sanded and refinished multiple times, making it last for decades. One of the biggest mistakes people make when picking floors is thinking manufactured wood is as durable as solid hardwood. This leads to frustration when dents and scratches show up quickly. The fix? Set realistic expectations and maybe use manufactured wood in low traffic areas only. Another common issue is ignoring moisture problems in basements or bathrooms. Manufactured wood swells and warps there, so vinyl or linoleum are better bets. Last but not least, trying to clean these floors with harsh chemicals or too much water can damage them fast. Stick to mild cleaners and dry mops to keep them looking good. If you want to skip the headache and find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about flooring and home projects, bighomeprojects.com is where you need to check out. It helps homeowners connect with reliable pros and also gives contractors a way to find new jobs easily without wasting time on sketchy leads.